before we go any further, I can't stress enough, you guys, watch this video right to the end. Please watch it right to the end. I go through everything you need to know to set up and get Pokemon working in TCG Card Shop Simulator. By popular demand, we are back doing another TCG Card Shop Simulator tutorial video. We're going to talk you through how to install it from the top to the bottom with all the new updates. There's going to be things like Pokemon Pocket, many generations. There's loads of stuff that It's Samurai has done. Please go and show It's Samurai some love. They've been doing some amazing work with these mods, and there is a donation link on their mod page. It's never required, but it is always appreciated. So we're going to go through the mod manager, every single mod you need, how to install it, and then at the end of the video we're going to go through how to use the mods. Please watch this to the end. I'm going to put this at the beginning as well, just a little reminder to say watch this video all the way through, don't skip it. It's going to help you, so please watch it all the way through. A few more little bits real quick. We need to make sure the game is updated to the latest version, and if you've attempted to install any mods or anything like that before this, delete them all, uninstall the game, do a complete fresh install. That works best if you've got just the base copy of the game and follow all of these instructions that are going to be in the video. So updated game or fresh install, make sure there's no mods lying about. We're going to do some more videos on how other mods work with the Pokemon mods, but this video is purely about Pokemon mods. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to go to Google and type in Nexus Mods and search for TCG Card Shop Simulator. If you're struggling to find that, all the links will be in the description below, so you don't really need to do that, but we had a comment on the video saying they didn't know how I got to this point, so all the links will be below if you need them. If not, Nexus Mods, you can find them, you can see the names clearly on this. So this is basically the mod manager. It's Samurai's made this as an offline manager, so all of these downloads will be manual downloads, but it basically launches the game and manages the mods, so you don't have to do anything. It's a fantastic addition and one that you need to have. So the first thing we're going to do is click manual download, and you'll see if you've got premium, go faster, that's great. If not, slow down download. It's not a very big file anyways. You're going to download that and find it in your download folder. It will be default to wherever your downloads default to. Mine's defaulted to here. It'll be a zip file. You're going to want to right click, go to extract all, and you're going to want to extract that to a location of your choice on any hard drive you want. Don't keep it in your downloads because it runs everything from this. So you need to make sure you put it in a hard drive. So I'm going to put mine in my D drive, select folder, and simply click extract. Once that's done, it'll open up. You'll see a folder here, Real TCG Overhaul Mod Manager. Open that up and you'll see a .exe file. All we're going to do is run that .exe. Now Windows might pop up with this, Windows protected your PC. All you need to do is click more info and run anyway. This is 100% safe, there is no viruses. You'll see me running it now. I've been running this for ages. I've uninstalled it all from my PC to show you guys how to do it from scratch. And there it is. This is the mod manager. So once you've loaded it up, you'll see in the folder that it was, two folders have been created. So you've got your .exe file there, then you've got your staging, and you've got disabled mods. Leave them alone for now, don't worry about that. Open up your mod manager, full screen, so it's easier to see. Ignore recommended mods. You want to go straight down to settings. In here, you want to pick your game location. This is the first thing. This is wherever you launch your game from. It does have auto detect. It'll detect Steam, it'll detect Xbox. If you're not sure how to find that, just do a quick Google. It'll tell you exactly what you need to know. It tells you about the your BepInEx, which is the main mod kind of deployment software for the game. It's probably the wrong terminology, but you get the drift. Down the bottom here, you've got a donate or join the Discord by It's Samurai has a Discord. I also have a Discord. Check out both of them. We help in both. And if you want to donate to It's Samurai, I'd highly recommend it. He is an incredible modder. Incredible modder. So, now you've selected your game location. We don't need to do anything else with this just now. So you can minimize that or close it down, which either one you'd rather. And you want to go to your Safari, Google Chrome, internet browser, whatever you use to browse the internet with. And there is going to be a whole host of mods that you guys need to download. We're going to go through every single one. The order does not matter because the mod manager is going to install them all, and they will all be linked below. So if you're struggling, just go to the description below and make sure you click every single link. Right click, open a new tab, and download each part. I'll even link it to the file section so you know exactly where to go. So the first one is the actual Pokemon TCG card shop expansions. So you're going to open up the link. If it puts you to description, no problem. Go to files, and then you'll see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 files to download in here. Download all of those via manual download. The next one is the collection tracker. This one, again, go to files, manual download. Enhanced binder, go to files, again, manual download. Pokemon Pocket, this is a brand new one that was literally released yesterday. It's in a separate phone app, so again, go to files if the link doesn't take you there. Manual download the shop app and manual download Pokemon Pocket expansions. Download the EPL Card Animator. Manual download again. Download the enhanced prefab loader. Some of these will say mod manager download. Do not download that. You need to download manual download, and it's only this top one here, this main file. You don't need the optional file. So manual download. And then you need the enhanced prefab loader API. The enhanced prefab loader won't run without this, so you've got to make sure you download that. And again, manual download. Now the EPL Demand, manual download. Grading Overhaul, manual download. Holographic Overhaul, manual download. Don't worry about the old files, just the main files. Phone Overhaul, again, main files, manual download. BepInEx Mod Manager. This basically lets you manage the mods from a better menu than the game provides, so download that via manual download. Pre-configured BepInEx with Configuration Manager. This is the cream that holds it all together, the glue that holds it all together. It's probably a better word. Again, manual download. Do not do Mod Manager download. This one puts some pretty cool TVs inside your shop. Manual download that. And finally, you've got your TextureReplacer, which is very important for all your textures in the game to become Pokemon. Go files, and again, manual download. So once you've downloaded all the files, I'd recommend putting them in a separate folder inside your downloads just so you can keep them all together. But leave them loose in your downloads if you want. It doesn't really matter either way. For organization, I like to keep them separate. So I've created a folder called Pokemon Mods, and they've all been saved in there. And you see this is every single mod you've just downloaded. So at this point in the video, check that you've got 23 different files, all in their zipped format. Do not unzip them. Check you've got 23 files. If you haven't got 23 files, or you've got less, or you've got more, go back through the video, look at which ones you've missed, or go through the links and work it out and make sure you've got every single file that we've mentioned. You gathered all of these files inside your folder. You're going to select every single one, right click and copy. Then wherever you saved your mod manager, so where you save your .exe, so again mine's on my D drive, you'll see the staging folder we talked about earlier. You're going to open up that folder and you're going to paste every single one of those mods in their zip format into the staging folder. Once I've copied across, you should see all in there. Again, we've got 23. We're going to go back to our mod manager. So if you closed it down, just double click the .exe, it'll load up first time. I just minimize mine. We're going to go to downloaded mods on the left here, and you'll see in the top we've got 0 mods, 0 active, and 23 staged. The ones in the staging folder is basically what the software is going to download for you and install them all. So at the right here, you've got install new in brackets 23. We're going to click that, and all it's going to do is install them all themselves. So once the mod manager's finished installing all the mods, you'll see at the top it says 23 mods, 23 active. You can now remove those mods from your staging folder to save space if you wish. I'm going to leave mine in there for now. But then the next thing to do now is on the top right it says play the game. Just click play. See, you load it in, you've got the Pokemon loading screen, TCG Card Shop Simulator, Phil Divine. I'm going to show you that you can load your saved games as well. So I've actually deleted all of my mods, deleted the whole thing and reinstalled it. And as long as you install it in the same places, it's going to let you load in your saved game. Game will load in, and first thing you want to do is open up your phone, pressing tab. It's going to have a little tutorial to do. Just do this tutorial first. It's a bit of a headache, but it doesn't really matter. You need to do that. So once you've done the tutorial and you've got on your phone, the first page you'll see there's a normal Tetramon stock. Ignore that. You don't need to buy that. You won't be using that anymore. You're going to move the phone to the page next, and you're going to see there's Pokestock, and then you're going to see Pokemon Pocket Stock. You open Pokestock up and you can see you've got all your booster packs, and there's loads now. You've got all the way down to Neo Destiny. Pretty cool. You've got Neo Revolution, you've got booster boxes, you've got everything you need there. There's loads and loads added here. You go to accessories, and we've got all sorts of different playmats and base theme, and you unlock all these the further up you go in the game. Go to your figurines, and you've got your Bulbasaur, your Charmander, your Squirtle, all updated, all really cool. You've got your Game Boy Color games all the way down to Fire Red and Leaf Green. If you go to the Pokemon Pocket Stock, you can see in here you've got Genetic Apex booster packs and Mythical Island. Now at the minute there are no accessories and no figurines in the Pokemon Pocket one. They will come, and we will show you how to add those. At the minute you've got the 2 booster packs, so you can stock them on your shelves, and it's pretty freaking cool. If you're looking for the Pokemon statues, so that's basically all the statues you downloaded, you can go to your decorations and go to deco, and at the very end of the page you'll see all of the statues. You've got Squirtle, Wartortle, Blastoise, Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, Shinysard, Megazard, Iron Thorns, Shiny Iron Thorns, Articuno, and Lugia, however you want to pronounce it. And that's it. That is pretty much it. There's no posters or anything for Pokemon just yet. They're all Tetramon stuff. But if you like the look of them, put them in. There's no other real Pokemon stuff here either just now. But again, you don't really need that. It's just more all the Pokemon in-game stuff. And that's it. That is pretty much as simple as that. I'll just show you. These cards in here were from previous. So they're from when before I did the update. Just show you that they still work. Pick one up. Press R. Open it up, and you'll see that we'll get Pikachu, Trainer, Pokeball, Rhyhorn, Marowak, Primeape, Vileplume. So that all works. So we haven't lost anything on our save games or anything. As long as you install them in the exact same way, just delete everything and do it the way in this video is probably the best. Got any questions? Whack them in the comments, whack them in the community bit, and join my Discord. And I will do my best to help out where I can. But if you follow this video word for word, picture by picture, mod by mod, you cannot go wrong. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.